how to customize Steam profile. First is by opening your Steam app or by opening your Chrome web browser, your Mozilla Firefox, or any web browser that you want. And then simply and go ahead onto your name right here, found on the upper left. Click on Profile, and then click on Edit Profile right here. Under this one, you may change your general information such as your name, your real name, your URL, your location, a summary, profile preferences. You may also go to avatar and change your avatar right here. You may choose right here, or you may upload your own avatar. You may also choose your profile background, your mini profile, your theme. So if you want to choose this one, simply click on save. After you change anything, make sure to click on the save button right here. For example, you go to your profile background and then you change your profile background. Simply click on save right here to save the changes that you have made. You may also change your privacy settings right here, and there you go. You may click on back to your profile and see the changes that you have made. So that's it. That's how you can customize Steam profile.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.